So what do you think is the worst ice cream you've ever had? Like a flavor that you thought might work, but it was just horrible.
Well, I've had, I'd say I probably have like a historical top five worsts. Like,
Okay.
let me, the top five worsts, I would say Ranch. There's a place in Philadelphia, Little Baby. They
Ranch
made a
ice
ranch.
cream.
It's exactly what the name promises, and it delivers, and it is awful. I respect them for trying. They did like a bunch of other crazy flavors, and there were some that worked, but ranch was not one of them. Another one I'd say that was pretty bad was a chocolate cardamom sriracha granola.
Oh.
And that was, the sriracha just ruined it. Like, I love sriracha, I love iced ice cream. We have that dichotomy mix between heat and coolness together. But in this thing, it was just pretty terrible. I was in St. Louis, Missouri. There was a sweet pea ice cream that was like, I imagine this is what like healthy parents like want ice cream to be. So
Yeah.
like I could get my kid to like vegetables by like sneaking it in ice cream or something like that. And really, it doesn't make kids like ice cream. It just makes you hate that ice cream. And you're like,
Yeah.
doing no one any favors there. It was like, if I'm not against vegetables in ice cream because I literally talked about the spinach ice cream, but it needs to have some sort of flavor profile that is accented by something else instead of just the straight like vegetable taste.
Yeah.
That one was bad. I had the garlic chicken ice cream in Las Vegas once, and that was, I don't know. I've had garlic ice cream before. I've had other savory meat ice creams before that weren't bad, but this garlic chicken together was just abysmal. And then I think probably like rounding out the bottom five would be, I had a French lavender one that was just way too potent in the lavender. It was like, I described it as like eating potpourri, and I likened that to my grandmother who had just passed away recently, and it kind of like, the taste reminded me of what her house smelled like, so it's like, this is like eating the creamy corpse of my dead grandmother. And,
Oh man.
and so that one bottoms out, I'd say, the worst, the historical worst five.
Jeez, man. Yeah, some of those sound like they might have potential, but I guess what's nice is you could generally you could just try a taste of it, get a sample of it before you have to buy a whole scoop, huh?
Exactly.
That's a good bonus. So try it if you see something crazy. At least try it, right?
Exactly. Give it the college effort. You know, like I've been pleasantly surprised trying some of these things. Like there was one time I said like I had tried other savory ice creams before. I had it was the barbecue burnt ends in St. Louis, Missouri, and that it takes barbecue, like a sweet, tangy, spiced barbecue sauce with the actual meat chunks, put it in like a regular cream base, and I was like, I was shocked at how much like I didn't hate it. Like, so am I gonna say it'll change your outlook on life? Probably not. But it might change your outlook for the day.
Yeah.
It might give you something that you hadn't considered before, and I was like, you know what, this isn't bad considering. So
Jeez, that thing had actual chunks of meat in it.
yeah, they used the barbecue burnt ends from like this famous barbecue place in St. Louis, Missouri. I forget what it's called, but yeah.
Wow, man, that's cool. That's fun what people are doing.
Yeah.
So what do you think is like the future of ice cream? Like what new innovations are we gonna see?